Now, the United Nations Children's Fund has renewed its partnership with the Lagos State government to accelerate universal birth registration. The new push, described as the first line of protection for every child, targets 545,000 newborns this year. Judith Irenoa has details.
Gathered here are officials from the Ministries of Health, Education, Social Development, traditional and religious leaders, among others.
If you don't have birth registration, as it is in other countries of the world, you are not identified as a citizen. That is where Nigeria is going to.
The dialogue themed Every Child Count, accelerating birth registration in Lagos State, brought together key players to address identity challenges facing Nigerian children. Chief of Unicef's Lagos Field Office commended Lagos State for achieving one of the highest rates nationally.
Lagos State has made real progress, with 94% of children now under 5 registered. With that, we are at the forefront of the efforts in Nigeria and in a lot of countries in Africa. And this reflects the commitment of the Lagos State and its partners. But we know the work is not finished, and we have to continue with that commitment.
Federal Commissioner of the National Population Commission called for stronger community mobilization.
We all know that without registration, there's no identity. And without identity, we can't plan for. I want you to go back and tell them your different communities, particularly our LCD, our imam, our focal people, our leagues. From one, you have a duty, our churches, our mosques, to go back and tell our community, and our community leaders as well, that this is happening.
For other participants, the discussion is crucial at the local level to overcome barriers through collaboration.
Rural communities, they're lacking. A lot of children, millions of children are not registered. The births are not registered in the rural communities. Even in the low-income communities, we still have these issues. So what I say is that we call on the government, parastatals and all government MDAs to work together to see how they can synergize, because the data issue is also important.
An action plan is now on the way to improve registration and achieve measurable results by year end. Judith Irenoa, TVC News, Lagos.